Welcome to another edition of TAC 360 presented by TACOSS Canada. You give us 360 seconds, we'll give you a 360-degree overview of a TAC. Today's video features the Technology Access Centre for Oil Sands Sustainability located in Edmonton, Alberta. Over to you, Technology Access Centre for Oil Sands Sustainability.
This is a presentation of the Technology Access Centre for Oil Sands Sustainability as requested for the TAC 360 initiative. Our centre is located on the campus of the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology in Edmonton, Alberta. We were originally formed in 2010 with a generous endowment of $1.5 million from the Ledco Group and matching funding from NAIT. We have also received our TAC status in 2020 and are happy to be part of the Technology Access family. The Centre's vision and mission is to be committed to a future where the environmental and economic challenges of the oil sands have been solved. We strive to do this by applying scientific principles, bringing our knowledge to practice, and connecting partners with shared interest. The TAC is based on 3 pillars. First pillar being technical services. In this pillar, we leverage our expertise to fully provide the new technology validation and commercialization advice to technology providers. Our second pillar is business development services. This pillar aims to work with all sorts of technology providers with a special focus now catered to SMEs to really help them navigate the ecosystem. Last but not least, the third pillar of our TAC is knowledge to practice services. This pillar brings that extra research knowledge to the forefront of the industry by conducting various events, presentations, and developing a couple of courses that are already live. This slide shows the composition of our technical, business, and knowledge to practice team. We have a variety of experts on site who would be happy to welcome you to our center. This slide outlines our areas of innovation expertise. In addition to performing technology validation for oil sand tailings technologies, we also perform a variety of soil and liquid separation tests, as well as sample characterization of complex materials, as shown on the slide. The key takeaway of this slide is that our center can really work with technology providers and industry partners of all sizes in a variety of ways. We not only engage in applied research projects where we leverage federal and provincial funding opportunities, we're also open to working on fee-for-service technical and business projects where we create customized scope of work and budget to fit all client needs. As a Technology Access Center, we engage in the interactive visit program where we provide 20 hours of expertise to SMEs to advance their technologies. We have a variety of knowledge to practice projects where we share industry and applied research knowledge with practitioners, as well as industry programs where we collaborate with key industry partners to validate specific technologies. This is a short overview of our specialized equipment and facilities. Feel free to pause the slide here to learn more. This is a list of the specialized equipment that's available in our lab. In terms of our capacity and current level of activity, we're really open to working with all technology providers that fit our capabilities. We're currently expanding our lab facilities to be able to take on more projects. Our current project load is around 13 applied research projects and 8 fee-for-service projects, including iVisits. We're currently seeking to work with more small to medium enterprises, to engage with polymeric or raw membrane technology providers, and for clients that are looking for specialized XRD or XRF work. Our client base is very diverse. We work with a variety of big oil sand industry players, multinational companies, SMEs, other post-secondaries, micro companies, and we offer services that cater to various kinds of budget and projects. Our most requested services are listed here on the slide. For our applied research project spotlight, we have picked a project that focused on helping the mining industry to improve its process efficiency and reduce costs. The industry was facing more stringent environmental commitments and tailings management, so we've actually helped them by developing an ability to quickly measure active clays for their methylene blue index, whether they're at site or online in the field. These measurements provide accurate chemical dosing enable efficient process control and effective tailings management. For this project, we've partnered with Saskatchewan Research Council and Suncor Energy to develop 2 automated clay analyzer prototypes that measure the methylene blue index of oil sands and mining tailings. Both of these prototypes have now been validated in the lab and in a field trial. On this slide, you can see the upcoming events that are happening at our center. The 2 courses at the top have already been developed, with the Oil Sands Tailings 101 course being the most recent one that we've run in January 2022. We have an upcoming flocculation and thickener course happening in May 2022. We're also currently working on developing and launching 3 more courses that will allow us to share our knowledge with practice and findings with the industry. If this presentation has intrigued you and you're looking to reach out to find out more about the kind of work that we do at the Technology Access Center, here are some useful links. You can fill out a quick client intake form that will take you about 5 to 7 minutes to complete, and somebody from our center will be in touch with you within 1 to 2 business days. If you're just interested in staying in touch and following what's happening at our center, we encourage you to sign up for our newsletter that's released every 2 months. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to welcoming you to our center in the near future.
Thank you for watching another edition of TAC 360 presented by Tech Access Canada. More videos are coming soon.